Hey everyone, this is Bradley with M&M Magical Adventures, the Carpenters with M&M Magical Adventures. Today we're over at the Coronado Springs Resort and we're over in the Cabanas area and we're going to show you what room 841 looks like. Alright, so in we go. So as soon as you enter, you'll see that you've got this nice little chair there, very nice looking. Here's a wide shot of the room. You see that you'll have your two queen beds with ambient lighting above, with nods to the three Cabriellos on the wall as well. You have a lovely phone for any phone calls you might need to make. You've also got your outlets and your USBs. A nice little center drawer here. Nightstand, you have your drawer with the Bible. And in the bottom one, you can see you've got your safe if you need to lock up any valuables. On the other side, you'll see this beautiful TV. And it has this awesome welcome message for your family when you guys check in. Right now we're celebrating Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary, so you'll see this welcome package. And we also have enhanced cleaning information, making sure that everything is clean during your visit. With this being a moderate resort, you will see upgraded features like this lovely workbench area and an upgraded Keurig. This Keurig is a K-Cup Keurig. So you've got your pods here, you can put those in, lovely. And there's where you put the water, and then it's a 1 cup, you're all good to go. You also have your ice bucket up here with to-go cups and ice beverage cups. And look at this awesome, beautiful picture again, guys. It's a beautiful room. We're here for one night tonight. It's a beautiful room. We're going to take a look in here. This is where your mini fridge is. Check that out. Again, beautiful, nice looking night stand here if you have to do any work in the evenings. That's where you can put all your clothes. Little wardrobe area, nice, flush, and everything. Coming over here, you're going to have a nice mirror, full length. Hi, everybody. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. We're also going to take a look over here. And this is where you have all your light switches. Here we are. Hey everyone again. I've got my Cocoa themed Roosevelt on today. But you'll see also with it being a moderate resort, you're gonna get some enhanced H2O products at this point. This is what they are supplying. You've got mouthwash, a vanity kit, and there has a collection of things, a shower cap, body lotion. Also have some facial soap, 2 sinks to get ready, extra towels, you've got some tissues, and lots of storage, everybody. Lots of storage in this one. You have a lovely closet over here with an iron down there. Okay. And then last but not least, here is the shower. Glass shower. Again, currently we have H2O products. It's a beautiful looking shower with a nice little rain shower head. And there is the toilet. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed this tour here at Coronado Springs. Stay tuned for more room tours. Thanks.